Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. So we will discuss about all the markets, gold, euro, USDs, dollar, all the market. So what is our next trade setup? We have to tell here. Okay guys, so let's make trade setup for gold. Of course, close your trade timely and book your profit. Just go 1 hour time frame again. We'll see here 1 hour time frame. Exactly, guys, what we can see here. You just withdraw here trend line, make it easy for your trade setup all the times, right? So this is actually trend line is 1 hour time frame, right? So just make this one. This is the support level right now, right? And this is resistance level. So which part here to most things here? One is resistance level, one is support level. So we have to follow one support level, one resistance level here, right? So I hope this is our first target for downside because his break level here, trend line level. So it is good for us. We can trade, we can execute our trade in a sale. But just wait. This is our trend line, right? Exactly. Okay. This is actually so simple. You can use 15 minutes here. We will go in 15 minutes, and in 15 minutes, what we are looking here. That's simple, guys. We don't have any more techniques here to decide it, but we have to see here one red candle. We have to execute our trade. First target 202008 and second target here 1975. Okay, this is the level for gold. And upside, if it's move upside, we have a first target. It's be like here almost. If it's retest here, this one the level that is so many times is retesting here. And first target here and second target will be here. Okay, so but it's very difficult to go market upside. What we need to short from here, right? So right now we don't have any invitation to execute our trading system, but we have to wait for the right moment, right? So a little bit this one gold. So you can see other one here, euro usd is still in a profit, guys. So I hope you open your trade, you still open your trade. What is our target? Just you can close right now because we already closed before 15 minutes. Close your trade at scene of price. So we can see the next setup here. Next setup is, if you see here red candle, you will be short from again here. If you see here to green candle retest and again green candle, then we can buy from here to here, right? This is the level next here. Okay, so we can't remove anything here because we already draw here, and that's a good time to we book your profit right now. Okay, and this one, it's no, we don't have any invitations, guys. So last time where I took good, so I wait for a buying here to, but didn't break out this one level. This is trend line here. If it's breakout, but still not breakout here. If it's bit of breakout, I just we trade short here, here. First target will be here and second target here. That's my trade. If but right now I didn't got any invitations here. Execute my trade, right? So let's see another one. This is all, guys. I hope you also in profit, but still you can wait for 70 20 70 30. You can close, otherwise you can close right now. But if you want to wait, you can wait for 70 20 70 50. Of course यहाँ पे you can close here also. And if you want to wait long, but 60 70 60, it is so far, guys. So it is very risky if you hold your trade so long. But you can close here 70 30 70 20, right? So next setup for a next trade, if is okay, but we can buy from here. If we see here green candle, bigger green candle, and then you can buy from here to for second, and second target this one. Okay, if it's not, we need to short only, because already breakout trend line level, and that's good us, right? Other one, BTC, guys. I hope you close your trade here yesterday. You make good profit, and still I am in a sale right now, because if it didn't break out this one level yet, so I'm still in sale. So I hope you can go 1 hour time frame again here. Just see the level. This is the level here, right? So this is actually level. So breakout already almost done, right? So you can see here, this is a breakout level almost done, and he make U shape here, and cup, sorry, head and shoulder downside. Did you see any head and shoulder here? This is a head and shoulder here. If it's breakout, this is already breakout, but it's still not this one breakout. If it's breakout this one, but we have other target from here, it's going market like that. And this is the target. If it's breakout this one level, its market will go like this. It's 46,000. So we have other target, right? If it's not breakout this one level, so we can wait for a next trade and execute your trade here, and you're still your this is target, you're still target, you can change your target here, right? So you have to wait for here, right? This is two way. We can execute our trade here, right? So this is your dollar. You can see this is totally dollar. I hope you didn't close your trade, but still you can open your trade. But I execute here, and this is right now I achieve my target. First one maximum, you close your trade, because if you have a big lot, you can right now close your trade, because you can see the after 30 minutes 15 minutes, maybe the volume coming, and then market go like this, sorry, like this, right? So you can't achieve anything. So make sure, uh, keep right movement always. So this is important things all the time. You can close right now also dollar, because difficulty to be hit our second target, it's very difficult. But if you want to wait, you can wait for a second target also, but we achieve good target here. Okay, so I find out here some trade, but I can't see here two bigger green candle, and but market go like this, I think. And if it's not be like, if it's okay, but like this again. So this is all the things is market will get downside in the gold. So it's not be definitely, it's not 100% will market go downside, but my strategy is need to wait for our invitations. One green candle here, big one red candle here. So if you want to sell, you can sell here, because sometimes market go like this. Okay, so if it's break out the first level, you will close your first level here, two 209 2010. This is a big support level, guys. If it's breakout, this one is confirmations will go down 1973. We can see the target level there, right? So I hope you understand this one. Ethereum, I didn't explain here. Ethereum, we already closed yesterday trade, but still have small lot here open. What we can see here, little bit, you can see this is the level here, resistance support level. This is a resistance level, right? You can see, and totally, if it's break out this one, so automate our SL will be hit, right? So let's see if it's we need to wait for a little more. And this is a totally here head and shoulder, and you can see here head and shoulder, and then market will go like this and this, right? So I hope you understand here, and that is scenario, guys. So not in a rush, just see head and shoulder is completely break out here, and its market will go upside. I am target only the sale. If it's go up here to your market will it down again. Okay, I hope you understand here, and what I give you techniques for a gold and dollar and euro USDs and everything. Just follow it and improve your strategies, your whatever you have experience in your past, you can use it, right? So this is a good way to achieve the target, right? So euro USD, that's amazing, guys. We hit our target where I execute my trade and everything's still we close our we already closed our trade here. So one things, if you want to know about the more about trading, right? So about trading and strategies, you can contact with us, right? If you want to know more about this trading, right? So we can give right tracks for you and everything's that's important, guys. If you have something is good, if you have a good techniques, and you can share with us also, right? And let's see, guys, we have to wait for a gold, and we need to execute our trade because it's 2025. Still it's downside, but I need to wait for a little more retesting here. And this one level is retesting. If it's retest this one, I will market go like this and this. If it's this one, if it's break this one level, it will be go upside. So till I'm waiting for this trend line and this one level, right? I hope you take screenshot and just to be think the good scenarios for your trade. And all the time, just we follow 1 hour time frame, and 15 minutes and 5 minutes you can execute your trade, right? So this is good, but this is good to execute your trade and understand the market level, market situations, what he said, right? So if you don't understand the market, what he telling you, so this is very difficult to execute our trade here, right? But sometimes it's losses, sometimes it's profit, but maximum trade is profit, right? So if you hit your SL, one SL, so one trade is in a profit, right? So it's something is bigger, depends on the dollar. If dollar is positive, my maximum market it will be negative, right? So this is the bigger thing we have to understand this one. If it's dollar negative, other market maximum is positive. So we can buy from the market. So this is the things. Focus the dollar maximum. We need to focus on a dollar. So if you focus on a dollar, so it will you can understand the market where you going actually is, right. So this is the facts. I hope you understand very well all the things here. And we make next video for you. To you will be make next how we can make a next trade setup for you, and I hope you understand. Thank you, guys. Keep stay with us, join our Telegram channels and YouTube channels, subscribe our channels if you like our signals and whatever what we are explaining here. Please, guys, thank you so much.